Okay, so I want to talk to you guys a little bit of a review of the lesson on acids, bases, and pH. Essentially what you need to know is pH is measured on a scale, the pH scale. Goes from 0 to 14. 7 in the middle is considered neutral. Anything in the first portion from 0 up to 7, even a little bit less than 7, is considered an acid, and 7 and above is considered a base. What we need to understand is that an acid is a solution that contains hydronium ions, and a base is a solution that contains hydroxide ions. So if the amount of hydronium is greater than the amount of hydroxide, then you'll have an acid. So if we say H3O is greater than, then it's an acid. Okay? And if H3O is less than hydroxide, then it's a base. And if they're equal, then it's neutral. So in the case where hydronium equals OH, it's neutral. And usually it's written like this: the concentration of, that's what the square brackets mean, concentration. So what you need to understand is that the concentration of hydronium ions indicates acid, and a higher concentration of hydroxide ions indicates a base. A couple of the properties that you need to understand about acids and bases. Acids are sour, and bases are bitter. Don't taste them, but if you do have something that tastes bitter, then it's generally considered a base, and if it's something that tastes sour, it's generally considered an acid. Just think about lemon juice. The next thing that you need to remember is that as you get closer to 0, the acid gets stronger, and as you get closer to 14, the base gets stronger. Okay, so it's much stronger up at this end and much stronger down at this end. And here's what you need to understand. As the amount of hydronium increases, the pH decreases. And when the pH is low, it's a very strong acid. And as the amount of hydroxide increases, the pH increases. Okay? So that's pretty much what you have to know for acids and bases.